जॅक सिकेराच्या 27व्या पुण्यतिथी निमतान आम आदमी पार्टीन 17 ऑक्टोबराक मशाल रॅली काडपाचे थारायला। 16 तारखेर कुंकळे खंय ते एकठांय येतले। 40 मतदारसंघातले उमेदवार वा प्रतिनिधी एक मशाल पेटोवन आपापल्या मतदारसंघांनी वतले। दोनापावला जॅक सिक्वेराच्या पुतळ्याक हार घालून रॅली थंय सोंपतली।
Volunteers of Aam Aadmi Party, along with 40 coordinators or representatives from all our constituencies, will be assembling at Fatarpur, and we will be lighting a mashal. 40 mashals will be. These mashals, 40 mashals, along with the 40 representatives, will be taken back to 40 constituencies. They will go back to their respective constituencies. And on 17th, we will be reconvening at 9 o'clock at GMC. So 40 flames from Fatarpur will go back to 40 constituencies, and then the next day we are all coming together at GMC at 9 o'clock. From where there will be a rally through the constituency of Santa Cruz, which was the constituency represented by Dr. Jack de Siqueira in the Goa Assembly, and will be winding up at the memorial statue of Dr. Jack at Donapal Circle to commemorate a man who played an instrumental role at a time when Goa was threatening to be a part of Maharashtra and we would have lost our identity. Today, if there are politicians fighting elections and wanting to become chief minister of the state, it is as a result of that historic opinion poll. Again, we do not say that he was the only person who was responsible for that opinion poll. He was one of the stellar leaders. There were others. We want to bring everybody together for Goa. That is the idea behind this 40 flames going to 40 constituencies and coming together. The entire significance of this is Goa, from every part, every corner of Goa, will be coming together to pay homage to this great man.
म्हापशा बाजारातल्या 3 हॉटेलवाल्यांनी मिळून सिवेजीचेर उपाय काढलो। तांणी क्लीन लूज कंपनी कडच्यान 4 लाखांचो खासा बायोडायजेस्टर प्लांट घाला। म्हापशा बाजारातल्या हॉटेलांक सोकपीट नाशिल्ल्यान घाण उदक गटरांनी सोडचे पडटाले। ताका लागून पालिकेकडेन कांय उपाय नाशिल्लो। निमणे हॉटेलवाल्यांनी बायोडायजेस्टर प्लांट घालून बाकीच्यांकूय दिशा दाखयल्या।
म्हापशेच्या कॅफे कॉर्नर, हॉटेल शांतादुर्गा आणि कॅफे अरोरान मिळून बायोडायजेस्टर प्लांट घालो। या प्लांटाक लागून पेड्ड्यार उदक गटारांनी सोडप बंद जातले।
आमी तिघा हॉटेल पात्रांव मेळून केले आणि आता आमकां एकदम बरें जालें, लोकांक बरें जालें, पॉल्युशन कमी जातलें आनी सगळे वास बी घाण कमी जातले आनी म्युनिसिपालिटीचो आमकां जाय तो मेळ्ळा। आमी प्रिन्सांक बरें अलॉट केला।
Since it was smelling really bad and all the stagnant water and all that, and there was no system here, so we came up with this so that we can solve the problem once and for all. So I think we have made a good move, and there is cooperation with the municipality with this, with us. So I think it's working out.
मुंबईच्या क्लीन लूज प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड कंपनीन हो प्लांट घाला। 4 लाखांचो हो प्लांट 20 वर्सां चलतलो। ताका खंय मेंटेनन्सची व्हडलीशी गरज ना।
We introduce microbials in it, and this microbial eats waste and converts it into water. It continuously biodegrades fat, oil and grease and breaks it down into water. So what we have is a clean drain where even if there is water flowing out of the tank, it's only clean water that flows into the tank. One of the key things that it does is it cancels out odor, the first thing, as in comes in contact with the bacteria. This cost is only one-time investment for a business owner or a hotel or a restaurant owner. There is no maintenance in this particular tank, unlike a STP where you have to continuously maintain. The restaurant owners have peace of mind that they don't have to look into the tank as to what is the state of the tank.
बाकीच्या हॉटेलवाल्यांनी गोंयभर बायोडायव्हर्सिटी प्लांट घाल्यार गोंयचे बाजार निवळ जावंक हातभार लागू येता। प्रुडंटा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान श्याम सुंदर फट्टे।
नावेले फिरगुलेचो लोक आता खऱ्या अर्थान मुक्त जाला। फिरगुलेकार 51 वर्सां जाली घरां तांच्या नांवार जावची म्हूण झगडटाले। गोंय मुक्ती उपरांत लश्कराचे 3 MTRान रावळ फोंड जागो एक्वायर केलो आनी थंयच्या लोकांक फिरगुले हालयले। तेन्ना सावन एकूय आमदार मंत्री पावलो ना। मंत्री आवर्तनान मात दिल्लें उतर खरें करून दाखयलें म्हूण फिरगुलेकार तुस्त करतात।
आमी आकेंबाश फिरगुल्यांत येयल्यार हिंगा 52 वर्सां जालीं आनी 52 वर्सांकू आमकां खंयच्या गोव्हर्मेंटान कांयच हेल्प करूं ना. 23 वर्सां आमी कोर्टान भोंवतालीं आनी आमी कोर्टान भोंवन टायर्ड जालीं. ही केस लुईजन आत्या हाली 14 वर्सां. ती केस आतां ही 4 वर्सांनी ही केस काबार जाली 23 वर्सांची. 52 वर्सांक त्या गांवचे प्रॉब्लेम कोणें सॉल्व करपाक चिंतूं न्हय. ना खंयच्या मिनिस्टरान ना खंयच्या MLAन कितल्या मिनिस्टरान कितल्या चीफ MLA जावन गेले नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी. आनी पयले फावटी बाबा वडतनान नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आमच्या गांवांत पयले फावटी चीफ मिनिस्टर हाडकरी ह्या लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम अजून पासून ती थिंग पळयत जाली 52 वर्सांची घरां आहाय थिंगा ती मोडोंक पावली. पूण ते कोणूच आमकां सारको करपाक दिनासले. कितें कोणूच सारको करपाक दिनासले. पूण आयज आमकां गव्हर्मेंटान कायदो पास करून दिला की आतां तुमच्यांनी घरां सारको करपा जाताय न्यू घर बांदपा जाताय.
तेंचे कडेन कांयच नासलें म्हणजे हाडलें आनी सोडलें तांकां थंयसर जे रस्त्यार घालता पळय ते भशेन. आनी ते बाबडे थंय भिरांतीन तशेंच आसलें. कोण म्हणटा आपली स्वाद कोण कोर्टीन वता पूण घर बांदपाक दिना घर सारकें करपाक दिना. ते मोठे त्रासान 50 वर्सां त्रासान आहा लोक. आयज सरकारान कायदो करून नेवो की जमीन आमच्या ताब्यान घेतल्या पळय तांकां दिवची म्हणून ते कायदो केलो आनी म्हाका दिसता आयच्यान तुजो प्रश्न सुटलो.
Managers, that's Firgule ward were facing a lot of problems. And nearly 48 houses where they were staying was taken and given to the military. And they were placed in another property adjoining their property itself. But that land were not acquired. It was just given to them. And when they started the construction work, the landlord filed a complaint against them. We have done and succeeded in giving them the land. And I must say that this is the first time in Goa that such a bill has been passed.
Give a break.